Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 to year 2017. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the radiator fan relays are located. You may have up to 2 relays. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free today guys, for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017 guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now something else guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So, the radiator fan fuses, where they're located. We're going to demonstrate on 2015 Honda Odyssey right here. Fun fact about that car, you guys have 5 different fuse boxes. Luckily, we'll work in just one of them. And where it's located? Right under the hood on your Honda Odyssey. So here you have 2 fuse boxes. This is the secondary fuse box. We don't need that one. We need that main fuse box right here. If I zoom in, you can clearly see it here. So if you open that cover, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here guys, you need to check 2 relays for the radiator fans. That will be the front of your Honda Odyssey. This is towards the windshield side. So if you look right here on the very bottom, that's relay number 4. They go like that, 1, 2, 3, 4. That relay right here is for the radiator fan, one of them. Then you need to go to another one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then it will go here to 11, 12. So that relay right here. This relay here guys will need to be checked, and also that relay right here. So these 2 relays for the radiator fan. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.